guys, this is Harish and hi to everyone. Today we are going to unbox. Okay, this is the parcel which I got second time from whitehatjr. So without wasting our time, let's go into the video and thank you for the subscribers. We have reached 20 subscribers, I think. So 20 subscribers. So come on, let's go into the video, and today we are going to just unbox a mystery parcel which we got from whitehatjr. So without wasting time, come, let's go. So okay, first we'll take out the this one I think we got in the last video too, but this time they are given in the like a card type so that it's little. So I think they have watched my video, and this is just like a card type. So if you put in water, nothing will happen. So next one is my game developer certificate. Oh, game developer certificate. My game developer certificate and certified game developer. I have certified as game developer and whitehatjr. So I should be getting this before like one month ago, because of some problem. So because of some issue, so it has reached me a little late. Yeah, and my phone there was some storage issues. So yeah, just let's come into the point. So I think you can see the certificate. The game developer, certified by game developer. The certificate is presented to Harish. Yeah, it's my name. And whitehatjr logo in the top. And for exceptional skills and outcome in the game developing with a deep UI and UX interface. And whitehatjr certified game developer. And whitehatjr logo and the certified year 2020, and signature of the chairman Karan Bajaj. It's here officially signed by him. And whitehatjr is created by the alumni of Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Intel, Discovery. Yeah, I think you have seen this. I will show once again. Discovery, Intel, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. So I'll just give a short view of the certificate. Come on.
May I come in?
Okay, I think you have seen this overview of the certificate, and they have given it as laminated too. So easily you can just frame it and just hang it in the house, or in the room, any room. So I'll just give a short overview of this too. And get worldwide recognition for your kid. And step 1, take a picture of your kid with the visiting card. Step 2, post it on the social media and use hashtag whitehatjr. Recognition from 200k plus global audience. So increase your chances of becoming CEO for the day and meet Karan Bajaj and Baiju Ravindran. Okay. Don't forget to use hashtag to be whitehatjr to be eligible. So whitehatjr live coding class for kids. And this side get worldwide same, but it's written in different color, and stand a chance to win the world's most popular virtual reality headset. So this one, I think you have seen it, Oculus Rift. So don't forget to use again hashtag to be whitehatjr to be used eligible. Then that's all. I think you have it was very helpful for you in this video, and hope you enjoy the old video too. And thank you. We will meet in a new video, and this video was very interesting, I think. So bye bye. We'll meet in a new video. Como que ella quiere, disfruta la